Very good evening to all of you. It's my pleasure to pass word of thanks on this auspicious occasion of distribution of the Pharma Innova Awards. But before I pass to the word of thanks to all the dignitaries, it is my duty as a teacher to congratulate all the winners. And we understand that the role of the parents, the role of the teachers, role of the institute, and the role of the peers is also very, very important. And I congratulate all the teachers, peers, and also the institutes from which the students have bagged this prestigious award. Rajnibai V. Patel Trust assures you that in future also, if you need any kind of assistance and help in transforming these research proposals into reality, we shall be free and we shall be pleased to extend certain help to you. Any kind, suppose you are looking for an industrial venture, kindly get back to us and we will see that what best can be done. I will revert back to my duties considering the delay, and let me first of all pass word of thanks to our beloved Dr. Abdul J. Kalam. We are profusely thankful to Dr. Abdul J. Kalam Sahib, former President of India and the chief guest of today's function, for accepting our invitation and being over here. And Dr. Kalam Sahib came over here only for distribution of the awards and to remain present in this function. Isn't it a great thing? And what we have to learn from the attitude of the Kalam Sahib, and that is, we have to motivate the students. And everybody knows that Kalam Sahib loves children, and that's why he was over here. And we can say that the Kalam Sahib can be described only in one word. Such a great personality can be described in only one word, and that is a genius. You all will agree with me, and let us all thank him for coming over here and enlighten us. When he was delivering a talk, you might not have thought that he is so well versed with the scientific terminology of bacteria and antibiotics. We all were amazed, and we look forward to the presence of Kalam Sahib again and again over here. We are honored to have Dr. T. Ramasamy, Secretary to Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, and the guest of honor of today's function. He is having the distinctions of Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. That is not a mean achievement. It's very, very difficult. And what I like the most in his presentation and his speech is that serving a country that I love. These are words which I picked up from his presentation, serving the country that I love. And we all say live for the country, and that is one of the biggest messages which I've got from his presentation. I feel that all the participants who received the awards from such a dignitary will be very happy. And sir, we wish that your support and guidance will be available to the trust and also to all the students who have done remarkable work in the area of the research. Dr. Ramasamy has put India on an international front, and we can see that he is back in India only to serve India. So we all are very much thankful to you, sir, for coming to India and serving the country. The trust is also thankful to the guides who guided the students, and we are very much thankful to the partners, Department of Science and Technology and LM College of Pharmacy, and we are also very much thankful to all the dignitaries who have come over here and spent their valuable time with us. Role of referees cannot be forgotten because the evaluation process is so transparent in nature, and referees work without any obligations, and the process is very transparent. And you can see that the awards which have been bagged from all over country, it is not restricted to any particular region, and we are proud of that we have evolved a transparent system. So I am very much thankful to all the referees who have evaluated the dissertations or the theses of the students. Thanks are also due to press and the media, and Dharmendra Bhai Modi, who is the master of the ceremony, has done a remarkable work of planning and execution of this nice function. I wish to extend my thanks to Mr. Padmin Bush, Mr. Rajneesh Mishra, Mr. K.N. Joshi, and the staff members of the Troika Pharmaceutical for total involvement in the function. The last but not the least, the function would not have been successful without continuous involvement of Mr. Ketan Patel, Mr. Milan Patel, and the family members of both these great personalities. I wish that we shall meet again in future in the next pharma innovation. Thank you all.